Have you stalked your ex recently?
Flirting comes very natural to me.
Biggest lie you have told in a relationship. एक particular चीज होती है जो mostly लड़कियों में होती है that just annoys the fuck out of you. If you had to kiss one person from your past again, who would be? पता नहीं आ रहा है। या क्वेश्चन जैसे spicy questions कुछ निकाल।
Very introvert person. कब गुड़ी मिलेगी, कब घर जाऊंगी?
Have you ever faked? Hey bestie, when are we meeting again?
Have you ever faked?
An orgasm.
Yeah.
Lesbian encounter.
I mean, yeah, it was my lesbian encounter.
And I liked it.
Have you ever flirted with someone just for free food and drinks? Have you ever gotten revenge on any of your ex?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Anmol J Chaudhary and with me I have Anisha. Anisha, अपने channel का नाम बता दो लोगों को.
My channel is Gomendis Girly. Yeah, and I have self-help videos, fashion, makeup, everything.
Nidhi, what's your channel called?
Imperfect Girl.
What is it about?
It's about lifestyle, fashion, makeup, traveling, everything.
Okay, so निधि के बाजू में है मिस सुजाता रावत. प्लीज अपने चैनल के बारे में बताइए.
This is I am Sujata Rawat. It's on Instagram, not on YouTube.
हाँ, YouTube पे भी है मैडम, शॉर्ट्स डालती हैं बहुत सारे. हाँ, एग्जैक्टली.
Lifestyle है, fashion है.
बहुत
That's it.
इंस्पायर करेगी. वो है हमारी कॉर्पोरेट गर्ली अंजलि जी. हाय अंजलि. हाय. कैसा लग रहा है आपको फ्रेंडशिप डे ब्रंच पे आके?
मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है. नाइस
आप शांत क्यों बैठी हुई हो यार इतना? हम मजे नहीं करा रहे क्या आपको?
आई एम फील शाय.
I can see that. Okay, so guys, हम यहाँ पे मैं एक Q&A करने वाली हूँ मेरी गर्ल्स के साथ में. एंड मैंने किसी को भी क्वेश्चंस नहीं बताए हैं, चैट जीपीटी से निकाले. इट्स गोना बी फन बिकॉज मैं उनके रिएक्शंस कैप्चर करना चाहती थी. तो सबसे पहले हम अनीशा के क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे. सो अनीशा, हैव यू स्टॉक्ड योर एक्स रिसेंटली?
Recently? No, I'm a good girl.
Okay. Have you ever flirted with someone you knew your friend liked and almost did?
I mean, I'm a Libra.
Recently said you're a good girl.
Yeah. So I am a good girl, but you know, I'm a Libra and flirting comes very natural to me sometimes. So
Alright.
I might not have tried, but
It
accidentally
just
did.
happened.
Yeah.
Okay, one more question. Have you ever faked an I miss you?
I missed you all the time. I don't miss anyone. I don't miss.
All right, let's move to Nidhi now. So Nidhi, my first question for you is that what is the biggest lie you have told in a relationship or talking stage, innocent or savage? Spin.
I'm a good girl. I'm a complete good girl. I fall. I never
like
lie.
that. I like that. Okay.
I believe on everything.
Okay, moving on. What's your biggest ick in a girl? Like anything. ज़रूरी नहीं है जजमेंटल होना चाहिए, कुछ भी बता सकते हो. मतलब कि ऐसे होता है ना, आप कितनी बार कुछ लड़कियों से मिलते हो एंड देन यू नोटिस समथिंग एंड कोई एक पर्टिकुलर चीज़ होती है जो मोस्टली लड़कियों में होती है दैट जस्ट अनॉयज द फक आउट ऑफ यू. व्हाट इज दैट थिंग?
Being a little meanie and give side eyes. I can't take that. It's just.
All right. Okay. Another question is, if you had to kiss one person from your past again, who would it be? It's your choice. You want to answer it or not answer it.
My friends. Female friends, obviously.
All right.
Not a guy.
So Jada, my first question to you is, have you मतलब एक्चुअली आई नो इसका तुम सही आंसर नहीं दोगी. ओके, लेट मी आस्क यू अनदर वन. मुझे सुजाता से ना और फनी क्वेश्चंस पूछने हैं, मज़ा नहीं आ रहा है. चैट जीपीटी है इसमें? यार मेरे को और बढ़िया क्वेश्चन जैसे स्पाइसी क्वेश्चंस कुछ निकाल.
मेरे पास भी कुछ questions हैं पूछने के लिए.
ओके, पहले तो ये पूछती हूँ इससे. So guys, I don't need my chat GPT questions for Sujata because I know what to answer. Sujata, Sujata is an influencer, guys. So like when you go for these influencer events, tell me the weirdest incident or like the first experience that you ever had that you feel like okay, अच्छा ऐसा होता है. Like share with your audience. क्या है, like कैसा रहा आपका experience?
So basically, I'm a very introvert person.
Okay,
I
हमको पता है ये
don't
चीज़.
go out much and I
Yes.
don't talk much.
Yes.
So मतलब in the past, every time I used to go to event ना, I used to be like कब खत्म होगा, कब गुड़ी मिलेगी, कब घर जाऊंगी. That's it.
Okay. So have you ever faked? Hey bestie, when are we meeting again?
I think most of the time.
So you always share the most of the time together. That's not for me. I'm 1000% sure that's not for me. But a lot of people that we know in common. Okay. Another question would be, Sujata, if you have to. Oh fuck! I don't want to put you in dharam sankat. नहीं पूछूंगी.
I'm in a relationship.
रिलेशनशिप नहीं वाला, फ्रेंडशिप का ऊपर था. लेकिन
Okay.
हाँ एग्जैक्टली. नहीं पूछूंगी. क्या पूछ सकती हूँ? अरीशा, you wanna ask something? Sujata से. Sujata, when are you getting married?
Maybe next year.
Seriously?
Maybe.
Spice.
So you asked for spicy, okay? Don't bash me when I ask something spicy. Have you ever faked?
An orgasm.
Yeah.
I think most of the girls ने fake किया ही होगा.
है ना?
Yeah, I think it. Answer is yes.
We're asking about you. Don't play diplomacy here.
No, but yeah, I faked it. Have you ever had a lesbian encounter?
Like somebody.
You went with another girl.
I mean, yeah, in school time, I think there was this girl.
You liked it?
I didn't like it because I was like, I didn't know, but I was like curious to know कि क्या है ये. Yeah, but I was like, she was my best friend sort of, and she was like, there's this thing I want to tell you. So I was like, yeah, tell me. So she was like, I like someone, I want you to meet that person.
Okay.
I was like, okay, do I know them? How does it go? She's like, you know them very well. I was like, okay. Then we are standing in front of the mirror and she points at me.
Oh God!
And I was like, okay, that was, this was my lesbian encounter.
Nice.
Yeah.
Sujata, have you had any lesbian encounter?
Yeah, when I was in +2. So what happened was कि like there was one girl and she had a boyfriend and she was like कि I have never kissed before, so I just want to practice with you.
Wow.
I was like, okay, we can try. So we tried it and I liked it. That's
This
it.
proves that sexuality is a choice because we do not like men, but we still have to like them. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Nisha, have you ever dated someone just for aesthetics? Have you?
I mean, yeah, I have.
Wow.
I'm guilty of this.
Wow. Okay.
Have you ever flirted with someone just for free food and drinks?
In the past, yes, I am. When I was broke as fuck. Actually, so me and my sister, we decided. There was this one guy from Instagram when Jace was born, and I was quite chubby. He kept asking me out, and I kept denying it because I was not in the mood. But then one day we felt like having pizza, and we were broke as fuck. So we decided, let's speak to him. So we ordered a huge pizza.
Have you ever gotten revenge on any of your ex? And how, if you have done that?
बस एक इसी चीज़ का रिग्रेट है. मैं तो अच्छी इंसान बन के रह गई कि मैंने पता नहीं. So okay, jokes apart, I wanted to take revenge, but according to me, I think the best revenge is no revenge at all. Just work on yourself and forget them, so they will know what they exactly missed.
Yeah.
So that's my.
So yeah, she did take revenge in the end by making herself even more better.
Yes, girl.
Okay, so the question is, if you had to choose switch a life with someone, who it would be in this room right now?
Switch my life. I
Yeah.
think I couldn't switch with anyone because the experiences that I've had in my life, it made me the person that I am today. मतलब ऐसा होता है कभी कभी कि बहुत envy फील होता है कि I wish मेरे पास इसकी लाइफ होती, उसकी लाइफ होती. But यार जैसा भी है, touch wood, मतलब I actually love my life the way it is. मतलब दुख मेरे खुद के, खुशी मेरी खुद की, and सब कुछ तो अच्छा है यार. वो छोटी मोटी दिक्कतें तो आती रहती हैं. I wouldn't switch it for anybody. What's the most savage thing you have ever done to someone who played you?
Nothing, just played a victim card.
ओके यार ये मैरिड है, इससे क्या पूछूं मैं, मतलब आंसर तो दे, अब तो शादी हो गई, अब क्या टू रेदर हैव एन अफेयर विद योर क्रश और योर क्रशेस बेस्ट फ्रेंड, बट लेकिन तुम्हारा क्रश कैसे होगा? अच्छा चलो इससे किल मैरी हुकअप पूछती हूँ मैं, ठीक है, किल मैरी हुकअप, ओके। ऋतिक रोशन, आदित्य रॉय कपूर, सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा।
सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा।
सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा वॉट, किल और हुकअप और मैरी?
मे बी हुकअप।
हुकअप, ओके। एंड आदित्य रॉय कपूर, किल,
Kill.
ओके। सो ऋतिक रोशन से शादी करेंगे, ओके, गॉट इट। इज इट दैट एडवाइस दैट यू वुड वांट टू गिव टू पीपल हु वांट टू गेट सेटल डाउन इन देयर लाइफ? कैसे आप कैसे श्योर हो गए कि मतलब यही इंसान राइट है हमारे लाइफ में और इसी के साथ सेटल डाउन होना है? हाउ कैन यू बी सो श्योर?
I think your vibe is matched with him,
हाँ,
so you can maybe go ahead.
लेकिन इतना बड़ा डिसीजन आप कैसे बना सकते हो?
Take your time. Firstly, take your time because मैंने भी अपना टाइम लिया था, मैंने 3 साल लिया, उसके बाद मैंने स्टेप आउट
तो आपको
किया।
कैसे पता चला कि अच्छा यही मेरा बंदा है, मैं तो इसी से शादी करूँ?
मुझे ऐसा इसलिए लगा एक ऐसे इंसान है कि सबसे पहले ह्यूमन बीइंग बहुत अच्छे हैं, एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग बहुत अच्छे हैं, और मुझे लगता है ये ह्यूमैनिटी होना बहुत ज़रूरी है किसी भी लाइफ पार्टनर में। तो उसके बाद आपको रीजन डज नॉट मैटर फॉर एवरी इन अ रिलेशनशिप।
Of course, it does not actually. So wow, since हम अंजलि से कोई भी सेक्सी और विटी क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछ पाए, लेकिन जिस चीज़ का उन्हें एक्सपीरियंस है हमने वो पूछ लिया आपके लिए।